Are you starting an LLC with a partner or partners and feeling overwhelmed by the legal paperwork? It's a common challenge. Multi-member LLCs, while offering great benefits in terms of liability protection and tax flexibility, require a few extra steps compared to a single-member setup. Specifically, you need to ensure your ownership structure, profit distribution, and decision-making processes are clearly documented and legally sound from day one. Guess what? Trying to navigate the varying state requirements, filing articles of organization, and drafting an operating agreement without a solid system can quickly turn exciting new venture into a paperwork nightmare. That's where a service like MyCompanyWorks comes in. They simplify the formation process, allowing you to focus on building your business instead of fighting with forms. Today, we're going to break down exactly how to leverage MyCompanyWorks to seamlessly form your multi-member LLC. The process is straightforward, following 3 key phases. Phase 1, Initial Setup and Information Gathering. When you start the LLC formation process on MyCompanyWorks, the first and most crucial step is selecting Multi-Member LLC as your business type. This simple click immediately tailors the entire experience to your needs. You'll be prompted to enter the basic company information, the name you've chosen, make sure it includes LLC or limited liability company, and the physical address where your business operates. Crucially, you will need to list all the members, including their full legal names and addresses. This information is required for the state filing documents. MyCompanyWorks has a clear interface that makes adding multiple members easy. Phase 2, Defining Ownership and Management. This is where the multi-member nature truly comes into play, and MyCompanyWorks makes sure you don't miss any critical details. Unlike a single-member LLC, you need to determine the ownership percentage for each member. This is often based on the capital contribution, but it needs to be clearly defined. The MyCompanyWorks platform will guide you through inputting these percentages, ensuring the total adds up to 100%. Next, you'll define the management structure. Will your LLC be member-managed, meaning all owners actively participate in decisions, or manager-managed, where you appoint one or more managers, who may or may not be owners, to handle the day-to-day operations? Making this selection is vital, as it dictates who has the authority to bind the company legally. Phase 3, the operating agreement and filing. This final phase is the most critical for a multi-member LLC. While MyCompanyWorks handles the state articles of organization filing, which makes your LLC official, the operating agreement is what protects the members from each other. MyCompanyWorks provides an excellent, state-specific template for a multi-member operating agreement. This document should detail the profit and loss distribution, based on the percentages you entered, the decision-making and voting process, what happens if a member wants to sell their share, and the process for dissolving the company. This isn't just a suggestion, it's the internal rulebook. MyCompanyWorks simplifies the creation of this document, but you and your partners must review and sign it. Once all this information is compiled, MyCompanyWorks will prepare, review, and file all the necessary paperwork with the state on your behalf, providing you with a tracking service until your official documents are delivered. Using MyCompanyWorks for your multi-member LLC formation cuts through